Hello and welcome. My name is George Escola, and on this video, I'm going to cover what we covered in session 3 of the Success Challenge. Now, before we get into this, I wanted to go back to the basic memberships and the 4% so that I could explain that the material that we cover in Success Challenge is only offered with the gold and above memberships. So over here in this column is the gold membership and what's included. So we look down here. Success Challenge is contained in the Affiliate Marketing Academy, which is included with gold level and above. So you have Affiliate Marketing Academy, and you also have eStage Gold that's included with the gold membership and above. And so now I'm going to take you over to the Affiliate Marketing Success Challenge covered in previous videos. Session 1, Success Blueprint. This was where Vick covered the basics, built the foundation for a solid business, covered a lot of things that are necessary to be successful in life and in business. In Session 2, we started looking at eStage. And we looked at building our hub. What's the difference between a hub, a website, a funnel? We covered all that. The hub includes all those things. A hub is your home on the internet. And in this set of instructions, we're going to use eStage to build our home on the internet. So in this session, session 3, he started off with a checkpoint to make sure that we had completed all the necessary things in the previous steps and sessions. And then he covered what he called ideation. Ideation is where he told us that we should look at other people, prominent people in our niche, and look at their websites and get some ideas of how we wanted our website to look like. In eStage, there's a standard format that you can download, and you can start, or you can start with a blank page and build it any way you want to build it. So if you find someone in your niche that has a particularly attractive website that you want to model, you can start with a blank page and you can build it up from there. Otherwise, eStage has a complete template for an online hub. What I'm going to do in this video is I will show you what that template looks like, and then we will go through each of these various pages, and we'll talk about, and we'll look at each of the different pages, the home page, the about page, a blog page, and resources, testimonials, contact, and then Vick had a review of the whole thing, setting us up for the next session, which will build each of these pages out completely. But right now, let's just take a look at what those pages look like. So here in eStage, this is eStage. eStage is a separate business from the 4%. And so on here, I just wanted to show you real quickly that here you can create a new project. I have created some projects here already, and our Freedom Path is my home on the internet. We will take a look at that next session, and I'll show you how I ended up on each of my pages and how it's starting to look. Now, here I've downloaded a blank template. And so let's go look at the template and what it looks like. And then we can see each page. Now this is loaded up the home page. This is a template. This is where your logo would go. And then you have a customizable menu. And when you have a button here that can go any place you want it to, or you can book an appointment. These are just models of what you might want your page to look like. So on this page, on the home page, there's a little bit of this and a little bit of that. There's a place where you can add a program to take your your people to when they're visiting your page. You can add other sections. You can add testimonials, whatever you like. You can have a newsletter and a place to subscribe to that. And at the bottom, you have another menu that you can add. What we're going to do eventually is add all our legal documents and disclaimers down here. So you'll see that next week when we take a look at that. But for right now, that's what the home page looks like. And then over here, we'll look at the About page. This can be About Me. There's places here where you can add all the description. You can put some pictures. Okay, you can put a group of pictures. You can put a single picture. You can add a lot of narrative, text to tell all about you, what you stand for, what you stand against, that type of thing. As we come down here, there's other sections that you can add or delete. It's very easy to delete a section. If you want to delete a section here like this one, you just click on delete. It asks you, do you really want to? And if you click yes, that section will disappear. So for right now, let's go look at the next page, which is the solutions page. You can have submenus in your menu. So here it's showing that there's a solution page here. And these might be products that you offer to your customers, solutions to their problems. As we go through this, Vick says over and over again, people don't buy products, they buy solutions, they buy results. And so if you can convince them that you can provide them with the result they want, they will buy your product. So that's the idea here. And so you can add in here any different sections. You can put it the way you want it. Simple Solutions is just another page. The way I set it up, I set up one page as products, and I set up another page as resources. Now, the resources are the tools for the business that will provide the multiple sources of income along with sales of the products. Now, testimonials, you can structure this any way you want. I'll show you next week how I've structured mine. And then contacts, in order to fit everything I wanted in this menu, I moved contacts down in the footer. So, well, you'll see that next week. And I've added a blog in here. You can have a blog. Next week we'll cover that one. So that's about it. This button here, you can have it go any place you want. You can select the button action here. You can go to a modal. A modal is just a drop down or a pop-up. You can construct pop-ups. They're handy in funnels, and we'll look at funnels later on. Here on your hub, you can have all those things. And eventually, for the platinum level and above, we will be able to add membership areas. So that's the back end. With the gold, you get all the front end, which includes funnels and the basic pages. With the platinum, you get the back end as well. So that's an overview of what's covered there. Let's go back here, and you can see again, we've covered all these pages. We didn't cover the blog, but I'll figure that out and show you next week. Thanks for watching. Click on the subscribe button below and mash that like button. It helps with the algorithm on YouTube. And if you would add a comment and tell me what you like or don't like about this page or this approach to building a hub online, I would appreciate that. I will answer all comments, and so you will see that. When you subscribe, also click on the bell, and you'll be notified when I post future videos. I will see you on a future video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.